Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another product review. Today we're going to be reviewing a product I installed on my 2011 335 BMW about 6 months ago. I didn't do an unboxing on this. I wanted to see how it fit and actually how it held up over 6 months of driving. So let's just dive on in and take a look. All right guys, so this performance charge pipe is sold by MAPerformance on Amazon. And it was a direct fit in replacement to the plastic factory one. When you order this, it does come with the silicone boot and it comes with both of the clamps. It is recommended that you buy a new O-ring and that you buy a new C-clip. I ordered them, but my kit also came with new ones, so I have extras now. Just an FYI, the description says it doesn't come with them, so it may or may not. I got them, but they're only a couple dollars each on Amazon, and the links will be in the description below. All right, guys, so I installed this 6 months ago, and I've had zero issues with it. And after inspecting it on its third month of install, it's not rubbing anywhere. There's no holes, there's no fading. It's not rubbing against any of the air conditioning lines or the fender well. So I give it 5 stars. It works great. It's pretty inexpensive. It was $199 plus the O-ring and the clip. Links will be in the description below. Once again, hey, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for checking out my product reviews. I try to keep these under 5 minutes, straight to the point, as always. Good product.